My name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a wheel matchup with a set of Xtreme Mudder 310 wheels and a 20x10 with a negative 12mm offset and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires. Now these 20x10 Xtreme Mudders, they are in the satin black finish. They're also offered in a chrome, a gloss black, and milled finish. So you have your three options. They're offered in a 20-inch wheel. They're not offered in a 18 or a 22. They're only offered in a 20-inch, and they're also offered in a 5, 6, and 8 lug pattern. They're offered in 20x10s, and that's it. Not 20x12s, not 20x9s, just 20x10s with a negative 12 or a negative 24mm offset or a 0 offset. Not even a positive offset. Now these 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires in a 12 ply. Let me tell you, these are some of the best budget tires. They're about half the price of a Nitto or a Toyo, yet they ride phenomenally. They're about 75% of the quality of a Nitto or a Toyo, however, they're half the price. So you still don't get the Nitto or Toyo quality in the comfort, but for their price, they are great. They do take a little bit of weight to balance, a little bit more than what we're comfortable with, but once you get them balanced, you can't even tell. Also, these Fury Country Hunter mud terrain tires are almost like a hybrid tire, like an RT. They're a very mild mud terrain tire, so that's what helps them handle so well and be so quiet. So, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, or maybe the fender flares, or some power boards, or regular boards, or like Smitty-built fenders, or headlights, taillights, lift kits, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.